We called him Matt.
Matt coming, sorry. Matt, go there! Where's Matt? On the grass? Behind you. Matt, go there! Over there, Matt! Mac's pretty tired. Hi, Ben. Hey, let him catch you now. Oh.
Oh.
I have to. Can you bite your butt?
The picture's sideways. I'm guessing John hit it.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm tired.
Down, down. No, he's right there. He's sitting down. He's like waiting.
He's like, it's on.
Let him touch you. He's so tired. Oh.
He launched at me.
Let's go down. He really wants to catch you.
Yeah, just go on all fours. Put your butt by him.
Rowdy?
Yeah.
He's out of breath.
Hit his legs. Or pull his legs. Just run. Just run.
He's
No,
tired.
you have to let him see you run.
Aww.
You can't sneak
Tired.
in. No, he doesn't care.
Oh, yawns.
See, that was weird.
Hope, did you look in the mirror today?
Shut up. Oh, poor gum. You guys are mean. Oh, nah.
Look, now she's like, I want to play.
Oh.
Chanel behind you, Mom.